So this is another twice turn bowl. We're going to do this one today. It has some curly grain in it. I believe this is the elm I got from a neighbor. Whoever cut the tree down got a little carried away with the chainsaw there. You can see it goes through there, marks right there, but it just adds character. This one has warped significantly, so this will be interesting getting this chucked up to get the bottom fixed up. So the initial turning on this was done during one of my vertical lives back in, I believe, May. We got it knocked down, turned into its initial shape. And we're going to fast forward through most of this. As you see by the shavings here, this started out as very wet wood. So after the initial turning, it got put into a bucket with its own shavings to dry, and then here we are back at present day. Alright, to get this thing chucked back up, I've opened my chuck jaws. I'm going to use those as a reference face against the base, and I'm going to pin it with the tailstock. Find that center mark. No wobble at all. That got rid of it. There's a little bit of the curl coming through. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh yeah, you can. I have to use a brush. Get off fast. If you can see that or not. It just soaks right in there. And we use our brush on the live edge again. Well, I ended up putting 3 more coats of the Danish oil on, so hope you enjoyed my little video. Here's some final glamour shots for you.